Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our Excel tutorial. Today our class is on Excel tutorial. So we will study today. We will study VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, and also we will cover table, data validation, list, exact match, user form table, report, and sort. Also we will cover. So here you are looking on the screen. My left side is there is a table. You are looking this table. So you can make it same table. You can make on your Excel sheet, or to draw this sheet. Or my right side there is a form, right? Individual form. Stock report is individual form is there. So how it is working. So if I click here, I change the uh, code. I change the code. The fields, all fields are changing here. Date and name of product, name of company, quantity, rate, and an amount also changing this field. So for now here we will apply the all formulas. So we remove this formula, go to the data validation. How we remove the data validation, or this formula, and then go to data validation, click on the again data validation. Here, go here, clear all. See on the last there is a clear all. Press clear all. Okay. So now is list is removed. Data validation formula is removed. So again we will apply the data validation formula, list formula. Go to the data, and again data validation. Again click on the data validation. Here allow. In allow, open this and go to the list. Select list, right? Then go to the source. This source, click on the source. What is our source? All data of the column, in the column of code. This code, select the all these codes, select these codes and click on OK, right? So now list is see, again list, we make list, again it comes. So now we go to the date. Here, click here, we remove this formula, again we apply formula equal to, then VLOOKUP, bracket open, and here is asking lookup value is this, it is our lookup value, comma, and next is table array. Table array is complete our table left side. See, look, I am selecting this table, complete this all values, not these headings, only table. We select the table, comma, and is asking column index number. This is, it is a table, and first column is code, second column is date. We require date, so we write here second. It is date is on second column, and comma and 0, press 0, bracket close, enter. So we applied this formula. And here same name of product, we remove this formula, again we apply equal to VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, bracket open, and lookup value is code, comma, this table array, complete, select again table, this table, complete table, again select, comma, and here code is column 1, date is column 2, name of product is on column 3. So we write here 3, it is on 3, column 3, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Equal to, again we apply maybe something wrong, we look up, bracket open, lookup value, comma, then complete table array, complete table we select, comma, then column index number is 1, 2, 3, it is on 3, it press 3, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. It's okay. Then same formula we apply, and the name of the company we apply formula, how, equal to, and VLOOKUP, bracket open, and name, code after code, comma, table array, comma, comma, code is on, it is code is on column 1, column 2 date, column 3 is name of product, name of company is column 4, press 4, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now see, same we apply formula quantity received, but only we change what column, column index number, column index number is here, quantity received is 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5 column received, and here rate is on column number, code 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is on column number 6. We change the column number, amount also we save, and save and modify and reset buttons we apply in next class we will study. So now it's print, we want to print out, go to the print, so file and print out for report. We also will generate the report. So if you want to complete sheet, so complete table, so you can print out from here. If you want to individual, here page number, see, go to the, click here, page number 2, page number 2, it is our next is page number 2 is our individual sheet, stock report individual sheet, so you can print out it. If you any of the company or any of the code, so according the code we go to the printout, right? It is 106. If you want 1208 1010, so go to the sheet, go back again here, go here, press here, or press 108. Now it's 108, and then go to the print, right? Go to the print, press print here, change the page number second, from here it's second, now 108, we can print out it, right? Now you will understand clearly. So next class we will meet. Okay, goodbye, thank you.